Hi, in this video I'll be talking about line following. So there are many ways to line follow. Many teams use one light sensor or two light sensors. In our case, our team decided that it was best to use two light sensors because it was more reliable. Now as we can see, our robot, we have three light sensors. Now why is this? Well, two of these are used to follow this green line, and this extra light sensor tells the robot when to stop. So that's when the robot hits the black line. So when using dual light sensor following, the robot will have the light sensors following the edges of these two lines. So when say the left light sensor is on the green line, that means the robot knows it's pointing towards the right side, so it'll correct itself by turning to the left. And vice versa, when the right light sensor is on the green line, then the robot knows it's pointing towards the left and will turn right. And when both of them are on the edge of the line, so between the green and white on both sides, then it knows that it's in the middle of the line, so it keeps going forward. So those are the three parts of the dual line following. Now some tips on how to arrange these light sensors. First of all, the light sensors should be very close together. As you can see, ours, there is no space in between. There's no way these can get any closer. This is because when the distance between the light sensors are smaller, it's more sensitive to the changes, so it knows if it's tilting towards one side faster than when it's, say, farther apart. Another thing is that when competing in competitions and practicing at home, you may notice that the external light, so the lighting on the ceiling, is always different. And sometimes that may affect your robot's light reading. So to solve this, you need to eliminate the external light. So you can do that by either having the light sensor very close to the ground, so it's harder to get the outside lighting in. Another way is to add a shade in front of the light sensors. So those are the two ways where you can eliminate the external light. So let's move on to the dual light sensor program.